Hello guys, welcome to Physics Hub. Today in this video we are going to give you an assignment for the upcoming CSIR-NET June 2021. So here I'll be discussing about the questions. I'll try to give you some hints and I cannot give you all the solutions. It is difficult to give you all the solutions, but I will give you a hint for all the questions. And in any specific problems, if you think that you cannot solve the problem, you can let me know in the comment section. Then I will give you the detailed solution of those particular questions. Okay. So without any further delay, let's just start the assignment. The assignment topic is assignment number 1, dimension analysis and vectors. So it has two parts. In the first part, there are 10 questions, and in the second parts, there are another 10 questions. Total 20 questions from these two topics, dimension analysis and vector. Okay, so on this assignment, first part, we'll be discussing 10 problems. So without any further delay, let's just start. Question number 1. So it says, in the scattering of some elementary particle, the scattering cross-section sigma is found to depend on the total energy E, fundamental constant H, Planck's constant, C, the speed of light in vacuum. Using dimensional analysis, the dependence of sigma on these quantities is. How can you solve this particular problem? This is very easy. You can use this hint. You know the unit of H, you know the unit of E, you know the unit of C. Now find HC by E. Okay, look, HC by E is there in 3 of the options and see what you are getting. And you know that the dimension of sigma or unit of sigma is Born, and Born is equivalent to meter square. So whatever combination will give you meter square, that will be the answer. And in this way, if you write the units of these things, you will get to know the answer. And the correct option will be option C for this question. Question number 2, force of viscosity F acting on a spherical body moving through a fluid depends upon its velocity, radius, and coefficient of viscosity eta of the fluid. Using method of dimensions, obtain an expression of F. So you can consider a relationship like this. F is depending on different quantities. So we are considering a constant K, and it depending on B to the power A, R to the power B, eta to the power C. Now you know the dimension of force and you know the dimension of B, R, and eta. Now comparing the dimension on both sides, left hand side and right hand side, you can easily find out the value of A, B, C, and that will give you the relations. And if you find it, the answer you will get option A. And those who do not know about the dimension of eta, let me just give you the dimension of eta. Dimension of eta is M L inverse T inverse. And I hope you know the dimension of other quantities like velocity R, you know it. So option A will come as the correct option. Problem number 3, using dimensional analysis, Planck defined a characteristic temperature Tp from powers of the gravitational constant G, Planck's constant H, Boltzmann constant Kb, and the speed of light C in vacuum. The expression for Tp is proportional to. How can you solve this? This is also very straightforward. You just use different physical equation involving G, involving H, involving Kb, and you try to find out the dimension of G, H, Kb. Okay, and try to check these dimensions on this combination. First start with this, and if it doesn't match, go with this, and you will see one expression will give you Tp, and that will be the correct option. And the correct answer for this question will be option A. Okay, let's move forward to question number 4. The value of M for which A, B, C will be coplanar is. So what is the condition of coplanarity? Coplanarity condition is the scalar triple product. Scalar triple product is 0, means A dot B cross C equals to 0. This is the condition of coplanarity. So you just find out A dot B cross C. A dot B cross C, how it is found out? You just write components of A in one row, component of B another row, component of C, take the determinant, that is A dot B cross C. Why it is coplanar? Because you see, if B and C in one plane, B cross C basically represents a vector which is perpendicular to both B and C. Now if you take the dot product with A, if this gives you 0, then it must lie somewhere in this plane, then only it will give you 0. That is why you will get the A dot B cross C thing as 0. And the correct answer for this question will be option A, 13/2. Next, 5. If b equals to this, then b can be simplified too. So you can see this is given in terms of vector triple product. Okay, so you can utilize the vector triple product formula. What is the vector triple product formula? A cross B cross C. If you are given this kind of vector formula, then what we can write? Back minus cup. The formula is back minus cup B into A dot C minus C into A dot B. So if you apply this formula here, you can easily find out the expression for B, and the correct option will come here as option C. Question number 6. The equation of the plane that is tangent to the surface xyz equals to 8 at the point 1, 2, 4 is. So this question is very important. How can I do this? So it's like you have been given a plane like this, xyz equals to 8, and let's say this is the point 1, 2, 4. Okay, so equation of the tangent to the surface at the point. So at this point, if you want to draw a tangent plane, what it will be? So this is a line, this is a tangent line. So the tangent plane will be somewhat like this. This is the tangent plane. You can see this is touching this point here. And you know, if phi is some scalar, then grad phi represents a vector which is perpendicular to that point. If you find out this grad phi at this point, and if you want to find out the unit vector, you just need to divide with this magnitude. Now what is asking here, the equation of the plane that is tangent to the surface xyz at equals to 8 at the point 1 to 4. So what you can do to solve this, you take this point as some point, let's say P, you take another point on the plane itself, and let's say the coordinate is xyz. Now you know this is perpendicular to this surface, so this angle must be 90 degree. The condition becomes grad phi at 1 to 4 dot TP. This should be equals to 0 because this is 90 degree, and if you calculate this, you will get one equation of the tangent plane, and it will match with 4x plus 12 plus z equals 12. So option B. Okay, let's move forward to question number 7. Let R denote the position vector of any point in the three-dimensional space, then R equals to mod R, then kya hoga? So R you know, R equals to x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. So in this way, if you find out divergence of R, this will give you 3, del del x of x, del del y of y plus del del z of z. That will give you 3, and if you take the curl, it will give you 0. So option D will be the correct option for this question. This is very straightforward. Question number 8, the expression grad square r to the power n can be written as. Okay, this is very easy question. You can utilize this formula that grad of r to the power n equals to n r to the power n minus 2 vector r. So you have to apply it twice to find out this, and you will get option C. I think you can do it. Okay, fine. Option C will be the correct option. Question number 9. Let A and B be two distinct three-dimensional vectors, then the component of B that is perpendicular to A is. Okay. So let's say this is A and this is B. So B will have two components. If this is theta, so what is the perpendicular component to B? It will be basically B sine theta j cap. So this is your I cap, this is your j cap direction. So perpendicular component is B sine theta j cap. So you will try to find out these expressions. Whatever expression will match with B sine theta j cap, that will be the component of B. Okay, and if you do this, you will get option A as the correct option. Question number 10, last question. If A equals to yz I cap plus zx j cap plus x cap, and see the circle of unit radius in the plane defined by z equals to 1 with the center on the z axis, then the value of the integral closed integral a dot ds. So basically this question is from line integral. Okay, how can you solve this particular problem? There is a trick for this question. You find out curl of A. If you find out curl of A, then you will get 0, and that makes the vector A field to be conservative. For a conservative field, the line integral over a closed path is 0. So option D will be the correct option for this question. So we have discussed 10 problems, and we have also given you the hints for all the problems. And I think you'll be able to understand. And in case if you don't understand any question in particular, and if you think you need some more clear explanation, you can let me know in the comment section with question number. Then I will try to upload the detailed solutions for those questions. And you can get the PDF of this question on our Telegram group. Our Telegram group ID is this, Physics Hub 1. You can join using this ID, or the link may be given in the description also. And guys, let me just tell you one thing, that this is our blog channel. If you want to get some cinematic blog type video, you can subscribe this channel, the Cinematic Explorer. I hope you will like it. And guys, an academy, you can join an academy plus. If you are preparing for CSIR-NET physical science exam, you can join me on an academy. There are a lot of benefits of taking an academy plus subscription, like daily live classes, part length, full length test, proper structured course, full syllabus is covered, assignments with the detailed solution, dedicated doubt clearing session after every 3 lectures, PDF of study materials after the class notes, class conducted in both languages, Hindi and English. I take in English only. Offline video recordings are available to watch anytime. WhatsApp and Telegram group supports are there. And my approach I precisely give you the concept to the constant topic. Then I discuss the relevant mathematical formula and do the analysis. 11 problems based on the topic, including previous year questions, and homework and assignments are also given. Those kind of fee structures are available. You can take any of the plans. Let's say you are taking 6 months, the price is 11250. But if you apply our referral code Physics Hub, you get it at 10% off or discount 10125. So try to take an academy plus subscription, and you can follow us on different social media. This is our YouTube ID, Physics Hub Facebook page, and there is a Facebook group also where you can post your questions, doubts, or anything else. Physics Hub 1, this is a Telegram group ID. You can join using this ID, Physics Hub 1, search with it. And you can also follow us on Instagram, Physics Hub 111. And you can send me a message on this number 9609090334 to get the WhatsApp group and join an academy using our referral code Physics Hub. So this is all for today, guys. I hope it will benefit your preparation, and if you have any kind of question, query, or doubt, you can let me know in the comment section. And this is all for this video. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.